Well guys, it's the end of the year, and what a strange old year it's been, especially in the online side of things, YouTube, etc., the streaming services. We have seen the demise of Motor Trend on demand, a lot of the familiar faces over there, Freiburger and all of them, Dulcich. If you're into American vehicles, you probably watch some of the Motor Trend stuff. They've all left. Obviously there's videos out there explaining everything that's gone on, but I enjoyed a lot of their programming. We've also seen quite a few people leaving Donut Media, another YouTube, big YouTube car channel, vehicle channel. A lot of the regulars on there have moved to pastures new, and again, it's although they're still hanging in there, they're still producing some good content, but some of my favourites have gone. And of course the big one this year was the last Grand Tour, Clarkson, May and Hammond. Very sad to see those guys disappear from the automotive scene, although Jeremy Clarkson has got his farming show, and Richard Hammond does do little bits of car stuff here and there. I think it's Drive Tribe or something like that he's involved with, but yes, it's been quite a year, and for me personally it's been challenging to say the least. Obviously the tent is in pieces at the moment. It was destroyed a few weeks ago, and everything at the moment on the camper van is halted until I get this put back together. So yeah, I decided let's end the year on a bit of fun. So I put together a little compilation of bits and pieces I've been up to this year, and produced a bit of music. So here's to the new year. Hope everybody has a great new year, great time, drive safely, and cue the music.
Out in the garage, dust and rust, finding old parts, fix it I must. Scratches and scars, hands are all bruised, blood, sweat and tears, yet I refuse. Nights getting long, dreams running thin, facing the doubt, will it again spin? Engine won't roar, heart full of ache, keep pushing on, no time to break. Oh, the pleasure and the pain, hear the engine sing again. Through the storm, through the rain, on the road we'll break the chain. Bolts won't budge, muscles are sore, lost count of struggles, but still want more. Frustration screams, walls closing tight, but I see the light, I see the light.